Embarking on the journey to make your first $10,000 is a pivotal step toward achieving financial independence. Setting achievable financial goals is crucial, as it provides a clear roadmap and motivates you to stay focused on your aspirations. When you establish realistic targets, you can measure your progress and celebrate small victories along the way, which reinforces your commitment to your financial journey. Sharing a personal narrative that resonates with many. Starting from a place of financial struggle, they transformed their life from having no money to becoming a self-made millionaire. This transformation wasn't instantaneous, but rather a result of dedication, strategic planning, and a willingness to learn from failures. This experience serves as a powerful reminder that anyone can change their financial situation with the right mindset and actions. To set the stage for achieving financial success, we outline a three-step process that anyone can follow. The first step involves assessing your current financial situation, understanding where you stand, and identifying areas for improvement. The second step focuses on creating a budget that aligns with your financial goals, ensuring that every dollar is allocated purposefully. Finally, the third step emphasizes the importance of investing in yourself, whether through education, skill development, or networking, to enhance your earning potential. By following these steps, you can build a solid foundation for your financial future. The journey to making your first $10,000 is not just about the money. It's about the transformation that occurs along the way. With determination and a clear plan, you can achieve financial independence and create a life of abundance. Making your first $10,000 is a crucial milestone in the journey toward financial growth, as it lays the groundwork for future success. It's essential to understand that making money is a skill that can be developed, rather than merely a stroke of luck. This skill involves learning how to identify opportunities, manage resources effectively, and make informed decisions that lead to financial gains. The speaker shares their personal experience of overcoming initial challenges, illustrating that the path to financial success is often fraught with obstacles. They recount moments of doubt and frustration, but through perseverance and a commitment to learning, they were able to navigate these hurdles and ultimately achieve their financial goals. This journey highlights the importance of resilience and adaptability in the face of adversity. For those just starting out, it's vital to focus on smaller, achievable goals that can help build confidence and momentum. Instead of fixating solely on the larger sum of $10,000, breaking it down into manageable milestones can make the process feel less daunting. For instance, setting a goal to save or earn an additional $1,000 in a specific time frame can provide a sense of accomplishment and motivate you to keep pushing forward. Each small victory reinforces the belief that you are capable of achieving greater financial success. By celebrating these incremental achievements, you cultivate a positive mindset that propels you toward your ultimate financial aspirations. In summary, making your first $10,000 is not just about the money itself. It's about developing the skills, resilience, and confidence necessary for sustained financial growth. Embrace the journey, learn from your experiences, and remember that every step you take brings you closer to your financial goals. When embarking on the journey to earn money, many individuals fall into common pitfalls that can hinder their progress. One significant mistake is jumping into volatile markets, such as cryptocurrency or day trading, without a solid understanding of the risks involved. These markets can be incredibly unpredictable, and while the potential for high returns is enticing, the reality is that many people lose substantial amounts of money due to market fluctuations and lack of experience. It's crucial to approach these opportunities with caution and to prioritize education before investing your hard-earned cash. Another common error is neglecting the importance of establishing a stable income source when starting out. Relying solely on high-risk investments can lead to financial instability, especially if you don't have a steady stream of income to fall back on. Building a reliable income foundation, whether through a job, freelance work, or a side hustle, provides the security needed to explore other avenues for wealth generation without jeopardizing your financial well-being. Additionally, it's essential to avoid distractions that can derail your focus. In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to get sidetracked by flashy opportunities or the latest trends that promise quick riches. Instead, viewers should concentrate on practical options that align with their skills and interests. This could mean investing in personal development, honing a craft, or exploring business ideas that have proven success. By staying grounded and focusing on what is achievable, you can build a sustainable path to financial growth. In summary, being aware of these common mistakes, rushing into volatile markets, neglecting stable income sources, and succumbing to distractions, can help you navigate your financial journey more effectively and set you up for long-term success. Offering local services is an excellent way to earn money while tapping into your skills and meeting community needs. There are numerous in-person services that individuals can provide, such as personal training, dog walking, house cleaning, tutoring, and lawn care. Each of these services caters to specific demands within your local area, allowing you to connect with clients who are looking for immediate assistance. One of the significant benefits of offering these services is the potential for immediate cash flow. Unlike traditional jobs that may require a waiting period for payment, local services often allow you to receive payment on the spot or shortly after completing a task. This immediacy can be particularly advantageous for those looking to boost their income quickly or cover unexpected expenses. Additionally, providing local services enables you to build relationships within your community, fostering trust and encouraging repeat business. By leveraging your existing skills, whether it's fitness expertise, a knack for organization, or a love for animals, you can create a niche for yourself that meets local demand. For instance, if you're passionate about fitness, becoming a personal trainer can not only help others achieve their health goals, but also generate income through one-on-one sessions or group classes. Similarly, if you enjoy spending time with pets, dog walking can be a fulfilling way to earn money while enjoying the outdoors. Encouraging viewers to identify their unique skills and assess local demand can lead to successful service offerings. By focusing on what you do best and what your community needs, you can create a sustainable income stream that not only benefits you financially, but also enriches the lives of those around you. In summary, offering local services is a practical and rewarding way to earn money while making a positive impact in your community. Selling handmade or local products presents a unique opportunity for individuals to turn their passions into profit. Sharing our personal experience with selling model airplane parts, illustrating how a hobby can evolve into a viable business. Initially, what started as a creative outlet transformed into a source of income, showcasing the potential of niche markets. However, it's important to recognize that this path requires a significant time investment and comes with its own set of challenges. Crafting quality products, managing inventory, and marketing effectively can be time-consuming and may require learning new skills, such as photography for online listings or social media marketing to reach potential customers. Many people enter the handmade market with high hopes of substantial earnings. But the reality is that building a customer base and establishing a brand takes time and effort. It's crucial for viewers to pursue their passions, as this enthusiasm can drive creativity and innovation in their products. However, they should also be prepared for the ups and downs that come with entrepreneurship. Setting achievable financial goals and understanding the market demand for their products can help manage expectations. For instance, while selling model airplane parts may not yield immediate riches, it can provide a steady income stream and personal fulfillment. Encouraging viewers to find a balance between passion and practicality can lead to a more sustainable business model. In summary, selling handmade or local products can be a fulfilling venture, but it requires dedication, patience, and a realistic approach to profitability. By embracing their interests and being mindful of the challenges, individuals can carve out a niche that not only supports their financial goals, but also brings joy to their lives. Reaching a larger market through global products opens up exciting opportunities for entrepreneurs looking to expand their business horizons. One of the most accessible ways to tap into this global market is through dropshipping and online retail. This model allows individuals to sell products without the need to hold inventory, making it an attractive option for those just starting out. Understanding the benefits of partnering with manufacturers, which has been instrumental in their success. By collaborating directly with producers, they were able to offer unique products that stand out in a crowded marketplace. This partnership not only enhances product quality, but also enables better pricing strategies, ultimately benefiting both the seller and the customer. However, it's essential to understand that success in this model requires patience and a willingness to reinvest profits back into the business. Building a reputable online presence and establishing trust with customers takes time, and initial sales may not be as high as anticipated. The speaker emphasizes that reinvesting earnings into marketing, website improvements, and expanding product lines is crucial for long-term growth. This approach allows entrepreneurs to gradually scale their operations and reach a broader audience. Additionally, leveraging social media and online advertising can significantly enhance visibility and attract potential customers from around the world. It's important for aspiring entrepreneurs to remain committed and persistent, as the journey may involve setbacks and learning curves. In summary, reaching a larger market through global products is a viable path for those willing to embrace the dropshipping and online retail model. This journey not only expands their reach, but also allows them to connect with diverse customers and create a lasting impact. Offering online services is an excellent way to generate quick income while leveraging your skills and expertise. There are numerous examples of online services that individuals can provide, such as video editing, social media management, graphic design, content writing, and virtual assistants. These services cater to a wide range of clients, from small businesses to content creators, all seeking professional help to enhance their online presence and productivity. One of the significant advantages of service-based work is the high profit margins associated with it. Unlike product-based businesses that often involve manufacturing costs, inventory, and shipping, service-based offerings typically require minimal overhead. This means that once you establish your client base, the potential for profit can be substantial. For instance, a skilled video editor can charge a premium for their services, especially if they have a portfolio that showcases their talent. Similarly, social media managers can command high fees for their expertise in growing brands and engaging audiences online. Encouraging viewers to identify their unique skills is crucial in this process. Everyone has something valuable to offer, whether it's technical know-how, creative abilities, or organizational skills. By assessing what you excel at and how it can benefit others, you can effectively market your services to potential clients. Creating a professional online presence, such as a website or social media profiles, can help showcase your work and attract clients. Additionally, utilizing freelance platforms can provide immediate access to a broader audience looking for specific services. In summary, offering online services presents a fantastic opportunity for quick income generation. With high profit margins and the ability to work from anywhere, this model allows individuals to capitalize on their skills while meeting the growing demand for online assistance. By identifying and marketing their unique talents effectively, viewers can embark on a rewarding journey toward financial success. Choosing the right online service to offer is a crucial step in establishing a successful freelance career. The first step in this process is to encourage self-reflection on your skills and interests. Take the time to assess what you are passionate about and where your strengths lie. If you found this information valuable, please consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video. Together, let's take the steps necessary to achieve financial independence and build a brighter future.